Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Cameron Duncan. I'm from Looma Community up in the Kimberley. Yeah.
Which year did you come to Wongutha?
I came 2019, term 2, and I've been here ever since. Yeah.
What have you achieved in Wongutha?
I got my P's, my license. Also, I got a Cert 1 and Cert 2 in horticulture. Also, chapel. We've been singing and praising, and also we do work experience doing different other jobs and learning how to work.
How did you feel when you first came to Wongutha as compared to now?
Well, when I first came, I was shy and didn't know what to do. But throughout the years, there've been a lot of help by the teachers and the all the students. Yeah, and throughout the years, I got more confident, and had a lot of kids help me, like students help me with homesick things, support, and also strong relationship with teachers and
What are your plans after leaving Wongutha?
What are my plans? I might go work back home at the Rangers, or I might work at a school. Still deciding. Also, I'd like to go to Nagalinga College in Darwin Bible study. Bible.
If you were to market Wongutha, what would you say?
Wongutha is a really, really good school. It helps you to work, train. Also, it helps you get your license, and really supportive and good people around here. Plus, it's a Christian school and helps you with your faith. Yeah.
Thank you, Cameron, for your interview. Ready?
Move.
Bro! Oh, move it out.
Yeah, let's keep complete.
What you doing now? What you doing now?
Hi girls, what are you guys doing this week?
This week we're putting gravel on that cemetery there, the pet cemetery. The mother girls over there, the mother girls, they spreading the gravel around the cemetery. Yeah. For the owners to move and to see their dogs and pets.
Yep.
As you can see, it's the rainbow shape.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, we just almost finished up. We're just gonna do that.
So, swap over.
Yes. Okay, what are you doing today, Geraldine?
And we're taking it over there where I'm
Thank you.
Hi guys, we're at the Mungie Maze and I'm here to tell you about the Mungie Maze. So the maze was laid out by members of the Lake Mungie Development Community Group in March 2004. The area is approximately 2,600 meters squared. Approximately 900 meters of the pathway were formed by scalps crushed granite during May 2004 by the members of the Rotary Club and the LMDCG. A bobcat was provided by Alan Timms and a front end loader by Kevin Sharpie.
G'day friends, reading from Luke chapter 1 again. Her name was Mary. The angel came to her and said, "Peace be with you. The Lord is with you and has greatly blessed you." Mary was deeply troubled by the angel's message and she wondered what his words meant. The angel said to her, "Don't be afraid, Mary. God has been gracious to you. You will become pregnant and give birth to a son and you will name him Jesus." "I am a virgin. How can this be?" The angel answered, "The Holy Spirit will come upon you and God's power will rest upon you. For this reason, the Holy Child will be called the Son of God. Remember your relative Elizabeth. It is said that she cannot have children, but she herself is now 6 months pregnant, even though she is very old. For there is nothing that God cannot do." "I am the Lord's servant," said Mary. "May it happen to me as you have said." And the angel left her. In this story, the Virgin Mary, aged somewhere between 15 and 18, engaged to be married to a carpenter named Joseph, is deeply disturbed at the appearance of the angel Gabriel with an alarming announcement which could severely change her life. No wonder his opening words to her are, "Peace be with you." I wonder how long it took Mary to realise the full consequences of the announcement that she would become miraculously pregnant before being married to Joseph. Her words, "I am the Lord's servant, may it happen to me as you have said," indicate a young woman of exceptional trust in the purposes of God. After all, who would believe her explanation? And would Joseph believe her? This event in Mary's life would change her life forever. It was indeed a call from God to radical and costly service. Perhaps God is calling you to a serious and costly change of direction in His service. Can you say, I am the Lord's servant. I am willing. God bless.